Sometimes we forget that we have all the power to change everything, but we're too focused on all the crazy things that happened yesterday. Well, no one said that this life would be easy, but it's what you do after you get knocked down that counts. So when life hits hard, hit it back in the face. Don't let one mistake push you off your path. We ain't going out like that. You need to get up, give it everything you've got. Some battles need to be fought, so stand up for what's right. Don't run and hide. Take back your life. You only get one chance. Trust your gut and go out and make a choice. Stand up for yourself. If you believe in something, then raise your voice. No one ever won by lying down and doing nothing. So get back up and look it in the eyes and smile. So when life hits hard, hit it back in the face. Don't let one mistake push you off your path. We ain't going out like that. You need to get up, give it everything you've got. Some battles need to be fought, so stand up for what's right. Don't run and hide. Take back your life. Take back your life. Give life all you got. Don't ever stop. Don't ever stop living. You are more than enough. You are more than enough. When life hits hard, hit it right back in the face. Don't let one mistake take you off your path. 'Cause we ain't going out like that. When life hits hard, hit it back in the face. Don't let one mistake push you off your path. 'Cause we ain't going out like that. You gotta get up, give it everything you've got. Some battles need to be fought, so get away from me. Call me Shirley, call me mean, call me anything, just help me please. Ooh. Troubling me, call my own brain, say it's me, leave a message and make it convincing. I won't worry